good evening, and welcome to Heartbeat News on this final Sunday of 2024. I'm Michel Lopez. As we reflect on the triumphs and trials of the past year, we also prepare for a new chapter filled with hope and purpose. Tonight, we explore unity, gratitude, and renewal as we close this year with prayers and aspirations for 2025. Across the globe today, millions are gathering in worship, reflecting on the blessings of 2024 and praying for a brighter 2025. Faith leaders are calling for unity, peace, and cooperation among nations, urging communities to focus on addressing poverty, unemployment, and inequality. From grand cathedrals to humble prayer halls, the world has joined in giving thanks for progress and seeking guidance for challenges ahead. Whatever your faith, let us take a moment to pause, reflect, and commit ourselves to building a better world. Together, we can make 2025 a year of transformation. And now, as we focus on renewal, let's take a moment for personal health and well-being. Physical fitness is not just about the body, it's about the mind and spirit too. Joining us from the Heartbeat News Fitness Studio is the ever-energetic Chloe Ting, who will guide us through a revitalizing session to keep us motivated and ready for 2025. Whether you're at home or in the gym, this is your time to move, stretch, and embrace positivity. Chloe, over to you. Thank you, Michelle. Hi, everyone. It's so great to have you join me on this beautiful Sunday. Today's session is all about starting the week and the new year with energy and purpose. If you're watching from home, grab your water bottle, find some space, and let's get moving. We're going to work together to build strength, stamina, and positivity for 2025. Let's finish this year feeling strong and motivated. Remember, this is your time to focus on yourself. Let's make these next few minutes count. Thank you, Chloe, for that energizing session. What a fantastic way to end 2024 and prepare for the year ahead. Remember, fitness is just one piece of the puzzle for a healthier, happier life. Stay tuned to Heartbeat News for more ways to inspire your body, mind, and spirit. Let's keep moving forward together.